Hi Pankaj, how old are you? Let me guess, you are 33 years old. Now here's the most important question. Have you planned for a happy retired life? If not, then you need to start today itself. After all, the sooner you invest, the better your retired life will be. Here's why. In next 10 years, today's modest annual expense of rupees 2.5 lakhs can grow to rupees 4.9 lakhs. After 20 years, it can become 10 lakhs per year. After 30 years, it may rise to rupees 19 lakhs per year. And after 40 years, your expenses may increase to rupees 37 lakhs per year. Here are 4 more reasons why you need to seriously consider saving today. Because of higher education, you may have started your career late. With changing life goals, you may seek to retire early. With advances in the medical field, you may live longer. Even if yours is a nuclear family, you may have to shoulder the additional responsibility of taking care of 2 sets of parents. Inflation will also eat away a major portion of your returns. ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund aims to provide you a wonderful retirement life. Presenting ICICI Prudential Retirement Fund. This is an open-ended retirement solution-oriented scheme having a lock-in of 5 years or till retirement age, whichever is earlier. Let's consider an example. If you are 35 years old and you invest a lump sum of rupees 20 lakhs with a monthly SIP of rupees 17,000 per month, you will have a retirement corpus of rupees 7 crores when you become 60 years old. Now, won't that make your retirement dreams a reality? Here are the 5 more distinct advantages of ICICI Prudential Retirement Fund. Advantage 1. 4 different investment options as per your age and asset allocation needs. Pure equity plan is suitable for investors between 25 and 45 years. Hybrid aggressive plan is suitable for investors between 46 and 50 years. Hybrid conservative plan is ideal for investors between 51 and 56 years. Pure debt plan is best suited for investors between 56 and 60 years. Advantage 2. Scheme has a lock-in of 5 years, which will restrict impulsive withdrawals and allow fund manager to perform over cycles. Advantage 3. With lock-in, unlimited switches between plans without exit loads, active or auto switch facility available. Advantage 4. Systematic withdrawal plan or SWP facility to meet regular cash flow needs post-retirement. Advantage 5. Every redemption will remind you that you have compromised on your retirement goals because of current spending. So now, after retirement, you can look forward to spending quality time with your loved ones, travel the world, indulge in your favorite hobbies and more. Invest in ICICI Prudential Retirement Fund और लाइफ में तरक्की करने का मौका पाएं। Mutual fund investments are subject to market risk. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.